If you've locked your card on Affirm and need to unlock it, follow these simple steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to Card Settings. Once in the app, look for the Card or Card Settings option in the main menu. This section contains all the details related to your card management. Step 3. Locate the Lock/Unlock option. In the card settings, find the option that indicates whether your card is locked or unlocked. There should be a toggle or button that allows you to change the status of your card. Step 4. Unlock your card. Click on the toggle or button to unlock your card. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so follow any on-screen instructions to complete the process. Step 5. Verify the status. After unlocking, check the card's status to ensure it is now marked as unlocked. You can also try making a small transaction to confirm that your card is functional again. Now you can use your Affirm card without any restrictions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Affirm's customer support for further assistance.